Good girl. Come on. You're a good girl. I really was about to lick that then. Bought myself a new microphone. How exciting. So hopefully you won't hear in the back of all my videos now. Really good impression, I know. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I literally cannot believe that I'm uploading this close together. Can you? It actually hasn't been 5 months. Like, can we take a moment to appreciate this is my second video in less than a month? I know, I'm just as shocked as you are, to be honest. So in today's video, I'm going to be delving into the Beauty Bay Ein Brights palette. Now, this palette, spoiler alert, she's good. This is what she looks like. She's bright. They weren't lying. She's bright. The shimmers in this, hello. Absolutely insane. I actually can't get over the shimmers in this, I think. And they also do this palette in all the colours, all shimmers, like, what? I didn't really want a full palette, full shimmer, so I mean, obviously I went for the mixed. But she's cute. This is the look that I created with it. It's just this like neon pinky orange half cut crease moment. I put eyelashes on. I mean, round of applause for me, because I don't do that because I can't do it. I did it. I mean, I'm basically a new woman. More than one video in a month, 5 months, more than one video in about 5 months, and I've put eyelashes on. I mean, yeah, good girl. Come on, you're a good girl. You're smashing it. Before you continue watching the video, if you aren't subscribed already, then please do. I'd love to have you on my little corner of the internet. And also, if you do enjoy this video, then also give it a thumbs up at the end. And if you want to see how I got this look right here, then obviously just keep on watching. I look crazy. I don't really know what kind of look I want to do. I think I want to go in the red and orangey kind of section. Yeah, let's do it. I'm going out for food, so I don't want to do something too crazy because people will judge me. First, I'm just going to take a fluffy little brush. I'm going to take Tangerine Dream. My lids are already basically primed because I've put a load of concealer everywhere. So I'm just going to take Tangerine Dream and I'm going to press it. Hello, pigment. Let's pop that in everywhere. It's blending out really nicely. And also the colour is like building up well as well. I want to bring this literally into this part of my brow. This colour is so nice. Where have you been all my life? So it's got that one colour down. Oh, I love orange eyeshadow so much. It's a Nancy blending brush, and I'm going to take the shade Heatwave, which is the brighter orange, and I'm just going to blend that basically over the top. Those two shades are very similar. I don't really know what kind of look I'm going with this. I might do like a half cut crease. Yeah. So that didn't really add much, but I feel like if you used it on its own, it would obviously be quite bright. It's just brightened it up a tiniest bit, but it is very similar to that first shade, Tangerine Dream. This shade I'm so excited for. I'm going to go into the shade Hot Stuff. This shade is absolutely stunning. I'm just going to put this in the crease. This brush is so good to actually like draw in a crease. Look, can you see that line? Oh my god, look at that shade. I'm just going to swatch this so you can see this. That is so nice. I'm just going to elongate my inner corner slightly. It looks a mess right now. I'm going to sort it out. To try and fade this madness out a little bit. I think there was a bit brown on this eyeshadow brush. This is why you should clean your eyeshadow brushes. Yeah, I don't like what I've done there. I'll sort out a concealer when we do the half cut crease. It'll all be fine, it'll all be fine. I'm just gonna go over the edges just to blend it into the skin. Let's do some smudgies. This is like always such a good trick that I've learnt, like when it comes to blending the outer edges of eyeshadow, if you're really struggling to like blend it into your skin, do this. Like get just a big like a fluffy clean brush and just like buff over the edges. Just like, can you see that? It like literally blurs it into your skin. I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas and put a little blob there. Look up. These brushes that I'm using with the purple handles are also from Beauty Bay, by the way, and they're really good. This is their Ein brush set, I think it's called. I'm just gonna create like a half cut crease. That went in my eye. This brush is so good, like you can literally just like stamp it on. I'm just gonna take some more of that heat wave and just blend over the edge of that base. What shade do I want to go for? So let's swatch a few. We've got Cherryade, Sweet Escape, and Candid Candy Floss. I feel like Cherryade's a nice colour, but it's not as shimmery as I'd want it to be, so I think I'm gonna go Sweet Escape. So we're gonna try it with a flat brush first, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna try it with my finger. If I can find a flat brush in this. This is just a Urban Decay brush from, I think this one's from the After Dark palette, so it's very old. I'm gonna take a bit of Sweet Escape on that brush. Picks up quite nicely on the brush. Hello. I mean, it's there. It's just not there. I'm gonna try with my finger. I mean, it's there. It's not there as much as I'd want it to be. I'm going to take a bit of the Candid Candy Floss, so that lighter shade, on a smaller brush, on a smaller flat brush, and I'm going to pop that at the very front of my eye. What's happening? I just feel like they're not sitting over the base very well. Like, I feel like you can see the base underneath it. I'm going to just layer it up as much as possible. I'm just going to darken up the outer corner with a shade Heat Wave, and then also a little bit of Hot Stuff. I think that's a bit better. I'm just going to take an Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and for my lower lash line I'm going to take this side here, and I'm going to take Hot Stuff, keeping it really close to the lash line, so I'm going to look down. Oh, I haven't worn coloured eyeshadow in a very long time, and I'm kind of living my best life right now. So I'm just going to pop on some mascara. Benefit Bad Gal Bang, as always. This is literally my all-time favourite mascara. I've never found a mascara better than this. So, if you have, please let me know because I would like to try it. So I'm just going to pop off camera and put on some lashes. These ones are from Unicorn Lashes. I don't know the style though because it didn't say on the box. So, but if I find them on the website, we'll link them down below because they're really cute. They're kind of natural, like wispy, like 4D lashes. They're so nice. But yeah, I'm going to attempt to put these on off camera. Probably going to ruin my entire eyeshadow look because I suck at it. But yeah, I'm also going to do the other eye and then I'll be right back. I'm back. I managed to get the eyelashes on. Like, are you proud of me? I'm actually really proud of myself. Especially considering I haven't worn eyelashes in maybe like 8 months. Literally. But I definitely have glue in my eye because this eye is like, it's like it's got a film over it. But yeah, the look is done. Just a finishing touch, I just want to add a little bit of highlight on the inner corners just to, you know, make everything pop. So I'm just going to take, this is, that one. I'm just going to take, this is the Sleek Solstice palette. Look at the state of this. Like, look at the state of it. This is my absolute all-time favourite highlighter ever. Like, I actually, dare I say it, think this one is better than the Ofra Glazed Donut. It's what I've got on my face right now. It makes my skin look wet. I'm just going to take this on a little pencil brush, like a fluffy pencil brush. I'm just going to pop it. Oh, look at that, right there. Deceased. I literally haven't played with colour in a very long time. Like, literally, I can't even remember the last time that I played with coloured eyeshadows. Since I've had yellow hair. Literally. Since I've had yellow hair, so it's been what, like, wow, have I had yellow hair for like 4 or 5 months now? Oh my god, this year is getting way too quick. That's vile. Yeah, since I've had yellow hair, I literally haven't played with colour. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably noticed I've been pretty MIA. And that's because I just haven't really known what to do. Because my hair has been so bright, it's obviously dulled down a lot now. Doesn't look like it's been dulled down in the viewfinder, but in real life, like, this is like, I'll show you on, let me show you on my phone. I'll do a side by side. It looks bright on the actual viewfinder on the camera, but in real life, it's, she's going back. Because I'm changing colour, bitch. Let's zoom you out and wrap my thoughts on this up. Look at the state of this now, because I've had like foundation and stuff on, and not where I hold it, obviously, when I use the mirror, I hold it like this. So there's just like fingerprints everywhere. First off, let's just discuss the fact that the packaging for this is so sleek. Like, it's thick as well. Like, I thought it wasn't going to be this thick. And it's a decent size. Not really travel friendly, but if you're like me, I take like 5 eyeshadow palettes when I go away anyway. So, I mean, I usually put them in my suitcase. But the fact it's got this absolutely ginormous mirror means you wouldn't have to take a mirror with you if you was to take it away. The fact that it folds backwards like this means if you have it on a desk, you can literally just stand it up like this. Which is how I've had it this whole time, because then you can just like use it like a little artist palette and like dip in. You get 42 eyeshadows, 42 for £25. Now, sorry, Morphe who? No one. How? Like, how do you price something so cheap? And it's good quality. Like, you saw the pigmentation. It blends really, really, really nicely as well. Like, this is like so beginners friendly, not only because it's easily blendable, it's the way it's laid out in the pans. Like, if you look, every single row basically creates a look for you. So like, if you aren't really like creative with eyeshadows, but you want to wear colour, but you wouldn't really know how to do it, this literally does it for you. Like, exactly what I did. So I used this row here today. I used this to blend it out, this just to deepen it up a little bit, and then this in the crease. And then I just dipped into Sweet Escape. But if I wanted to use orange soda, why didn't I use orange soda? I really was about to lick that then. Honestly, if you are a beginner and you're looking for a colour eyeshadow, I would advise something like this. Because it's cheap, it's not really, if you don't reach for it that much, it's not that much of a waste of money. Like, whereas if you're going to buy like any other palettes at like 40 odd pounds, I feel like you might be wasting your money if you're not going to reach for it as much. Whereas this is so cheap and really good quality. So even if you're like me and you like colourful eyeshadows, this will also do a lot for you. So I just do think like all round, for this is a palette for everyone. Like everyone and anyone could use this and be happy with it. Like, yeah, I'm really impressed. Like, I'm actually gobsmacked. I would pay like £40 for this. So I mean, the fact that I've paid just over half that price is actually astounding to me. They do other palettes like this, and I'm guessing all the formulas are the same for all the eyeshadows. So they do like a nude one and like a more like a warm tone one. So if you're not into your colour, they've got other ones with just as many shades for you as well. So I definitely recommend popping yourself onto Beauty Bay if you're in look for a new eyeshadow palette, and check out their little Iron collection that they've got, because this is good. Like, this is good. So anyway, let's wrap this video up. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. And if you did make it this far and you're not subscribed already, I mean, you might as well join now anyway and join my annoying face on the internet. If you did like this video, also please don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up down below. It really will help me out. And also, if you're not already, then subscribe, and welcome to the family. And I will see you all in the next one with a brand new video. I love you so much, and goodbye.